Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Today, let's take a look at Tron, a faucet and gaming website. Get started by signing in with your C-Wallet or Faucet Pay email. Your hourly faucet is located on the homepage. Your Tron balance and wallet are located at the top of your homepage as well. Your dashboard is on the left. You have your games, faucets, surveys, and referrals located here. You can do surveys to earn Tron faster, but let's claim from the faucet for now. Select Faucet, then solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of your screen. Congratulations, you've claimed your Tron. You can keep claiming and doing surveys until you have enough Tron to cash out. You can also multiply your Tron by playing games like Dice, Kino, Plinko, and Mines. Let's play Plinko. Plinko is a game of chance where players drop a chip or ball down a peg board and win prizes or payouts based on where it lands at the bottom. If you're lucky, you can multiply your Tron and cash out faster. To play, just set your bet amount at the bottom and select Play. Let's see if we win. Great, I won a little more Tron. I'll speed up the footage while I play a few games of Plinko. Okay, we won a little. Let's try to play Keno now. Keno is a game where players have to choose 1 to 10 Keno numbers from a table of numbers ranging from 1 to 80, much like bingo. The Keno numbers are then drawn, and depending on how many of them you got right, you get a payout. I'm going to play a few games of Keno, hopefully I win. I'm just clicking random tiles for this demonstration, but some people use a strategy to play and win. You can change your bet amount by adjusting the amount below the green Play tab. Click 2x to double your bet. I'll speed up the footage while I play. If you run out of Tron, you can deposit more by clicking on the Wallet tab at the top of your homepage. This is where you can withdraw your coins as well. Just enter your proper wallet address and deposit or withdraw. Don't forget to verify your email to get your free bonus spins. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.